Hello dear students, my name is Adil Maidanov. I am working in Eurasian National University in Faculty of Information Technologies as a teacher, and I'm also certified trainer by Cisco and Cisco Webex. And today's video is student guide to Cisco Webex Training product. And the main question is how to join to a training session of a teacher. So like in Cisco Webex meetings, you should send your email address to your teacher, and the teacher should send the invitation letter to a training session to your email address. So you will see here the such subject of the mail, invitation to a training session, then the topic of the training session. The mail will be from messenger@webex.com. So next you will see the hello and the name of the student, then the topic of the training session, and who is host of the training session, about date and time of session, and session number and password. So for joining, you should just click to this link, go to website, and you will see such page. So you can see here the additional information about training session, and if the teacher has added the additional educational material, you will see here the links for such material. If the teacher has added the special test, you will see also the link for this test in next line. So for the joining, you should enter your name here, and so you should enter your first and last name here, and your email address also correctly, and the session password. And by default, the session password should be entered automatically, but if this field will be empty, you should get the password just from the mail. Click here and copy here and paste to this field and press join now. And it will be said in the browser that you should add special extension to your browser, and the name of this extension is Cisco Webex extension. So this extension you need to see the Cisco Webex training window. So for adding, you can press preferences in your browser, then press additional tools, then extensions, and here you should press this button, and below you will see open the internet shop Chrome. So in this field you will enter the name of the extension. So it's Cisco Webex. Cisco Webex extension, then press enter. So here on the first line you will see the extension which we need, and you should just press download here. So next I will explain how to work in Cisco Webex training window. So after pressing the join now button, you will see such Cisco Webex training window, and first of all you need to set the audio conference. For doing this, press the audio conference button here or on the tab above audio and select audio conference. Then if you use computer for audio, you will see green button called using computer. After pressing, you will see your speaker and microphone, and also you can test your speaker or microphone here by clicking this link. And for the testing, just press the test button. For testing the speaker, you can also select your speaker here and adjust volume here. Same for microphone, you can select the microphone, external or internal, and adjust volume here and press OK. Now review of the Cisco Webex training window. And on the left you will see two main tabs, Quick Start tab and Session Info. So above on the Quick Start tab you will see information about the host and information about the topic, and three main buttons here: the audio conference, which I said before, invite and remind. By clicking this button, the host can invite the students to this training session by entering their email addresses and pressing the send button. If the host will do some student for the second host, this student also can invite the students by doing same actions. Or host can also copy the session URL and send to the students. Also, we have the remind button here. If you have invited the students to your training session, but some students have forgot about this, you can remind them by entering their email addresses and press send button. Next button is share the content. If the host will change your role to the presenter, you can share your content on your device. So like in Cisco Webex meetings, you have sharing options like share my desktop, share file including documents, presentations, multimedia files including video, or you can share the specific application on your device, the web browser or documents. For leaving the training session, just press end training session button below. And what about the session info tab? On this tab you will see information about topic, host, audio conference, access code, training session number and host key. So on the right you will see participants panel and chat panel. For activating them, you just press below such buttons. On the Windows operation system you will see such buttons above. So the participants panel, you will see above the host and other participants below. This Cisco Webex icon, this ball, means that the host is a presenter, and if the host will change the participant's role to the presenter, this Cisco Webex icon will appear in front of the name of the participant. So also you will see the camera and microphone buttons in front of your name, and for starting or stopping the video, just press this camera button. For unmuting or muting, just press the microphone button. For activating the chat, press chat button, and you can type your message to all participants, or you can select the specific participant. On the Cisco Webex Training, we have the attention control. If you will close this button, if you shrink or close this button, on the Cisco Webex Training we have the attention control. If you will shrink this window, the exclamation point will appear in front of your name. That means you're not attentive during the lecture or lab work. So on the Cisco Webex Training we have attention control. If you will shrink this window, the exclamation point will appear in front of your name. So that means you're not attentive during the lecture or lab work. So now the button panel. So first button is raise the hand. So if you have question to your teacher, you can raise your hand during the lecture or lab work. So also if the teacher will ask some questions to the students, you can ask for that questions like for yes or no by clicking these buttons. And also you have go slower or go faster buttons. If you think that the lecture is going too fast or too slow, you can press such buttons. And also you have emojis here, you can type it also. And also we have a poll. If the teacher will create the poll, create the questions and the answers, you can answer for that interactive questions and you will see the result immediately. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to this channel, Seal of Shahmaran, to get notifications about new videos. Goodbye.